In this video, I will show you how to set Chrome as default browser on iPhone. So let's get started. First open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and look for Chrome. Now tap on Chrome to open Chrome settings. Now on this page, you will find an option Default Browser App. Just tap on it. And here you will find the list of installed browser apps. Now from the list, just select Chrome and the default browser preference will be changed to Chrome browser. So that is how you can set Chrome as default browser on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.